Hi, today I'm going to make my very own beehive garden. The first thing I'm going to do is look and remember what a beehive consists of. I see 5 things. I see a base, I see a bottom board, a hive body or 2. I know there's an inner cover in there and then a roof. So I'm going to go put those 5 things together, decorate them up real nice, and bring them to a garden. Well, it's good news for me. I thought there were 5 things I needed to paint and there's only 3. The base, I'm going to use what's already out there, and turns out this inner cover doesn't need to be painted. And this is actually my first time ever spray painting anything before, so it should come out beautifully, but the overall goal is to make sure I have a hive of my own and I can recognize it from the others. We're going purple, and by purple I mean kind of purple and kind of blue, because I'm not sure I have enough purple, but the overall goal is to make this hive purple so it does not get all mixed in with all the other hives. Ooh, this is pretty. Unless there's something I don't know yet, this is very easy. It looks so good. Unless I am just high on the fumes, that was way easier than I thought. I knew it was too easy. I forgot the roof. Oh, that's the wrong color. Okay, problem solved. It does seem a little wasteful though. Does it seem like I'm a little bit painting the air? Alright, time to get creative. So my overall plan is to paint flowers similar to what I did in elementary school, and to give my beehive a name. I do have some general naming ideas. I think I'm going to go music themed. And my general concept is to have 3 different hives outside in my own little section of the garden, and in that case I can work on my own little set of hives, and also I can reference them by name. Alright, so I told you I'm going music themed, so if you know that, maybe you'll see my vision here. Are you with me? You might not be with me. Let me make a little adjustment. Do I need something here, or does that risk ruining the whole thing? I might have to look this up, or if you know, tell me. perfect. What do you think? It's good. This looks good. I like it so much.
I like it. B-E-E-T-S. BTS. Did they sing a song with Psy?
They did. You probably know. I don't know. You know BTS, but other people probably know Psy.
I like Psy.
I know everybody likes Psy. Last little bit. Let me just label the front of their entrance so I can show it in the end.
You have to do the other side of the hive in the back.
I do.
You can't just do one side.
Oh, well, it's really fun. So that turns out good. I think it looks so good. I'm so happy with it. Ah, look how good it's gonna look. I gotta send it around. This is the start of my Instagram, probably. I'm so happy with it.
I see you wrote it in Korean.
No, I wrote house. That's the BTS house.
Oh.
I'm so happy with it. I feel like this is my most artistic accomplishment ever. It's one of many. We still have room for the Beetles and the B-52s. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with it. I cannot wait to get these bees in here. I guess that'll be the real test. What I did not realize is that I think I don't need this top part quite yet, but I will know for next time. I'm kind of sad about it because now I have to take the name off temporarily, but I will know for next time to put the name and the decoration on both pieces. The plan is to take the bees out of this green resource hive and put them into their brand new home. Alright, I am also going to look for a queen, which whether I find one or not, I'm just going to keep going. There's a ton in here. Give them a little green so they think they're close to home. A couple of bricks. Oh my gosh, I love my new beehive. I think it is awesome. It is way easier than I thought. The only thing is I cannot find the queen, which that happens pretty much 100% of the time that I look for the queen. So far, my guess is that she's in there, but eventually we will find out. If you have any opinion or suggestions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.